Hi there, how's it going? I'm Tiffany, and today I'm painting a wolf skull. I started this painting quite a while ago. When I first started getting back into art, I was doing a lot of paint pouring. So for this one I put a stencil down in the shape of a wolf, and then I did the paint pour over top. I did some lime green and some purple. Found the purple showed up a lot more when I first poured it. It definitely darkened up once it sat. I do like how it turned out though. It kind of reminds me of the Northern Lights. So basically that's how I had the painting finished, was just the kind of silhouette of a wolf. But once I started painting more and painting a lot more bones and skulls, I thought it'd be cool to add that aspect to it. Just to add something a little different, I guess. So I got that all sketched out and then the base coat down. Usually when I'm painting bones, I like to use unbleached titanium white. I don't know, it's just kind of that off-white creamy color. I found it worked well for your base. And then I go in, try doing all the shadows, and I usually use raw umber for that. I just kind of water it down and do a light marking of where my shadows are in the painting. Then I'll go back over it a few times with a few different layers to darken it up as I go. I like to kind of focus on one part at a time. I find that makes it easier for myself to do. So right now I'm just doing the teeth, got all the shadows out, and then I'll go back in and add some watered down black to highlight the shadows a little more and deepen that color. For a lot of my other paintings, I like to use just acrylic paper, and then I can tape it down on like a board so it kind of keeps it still, so I can try to keep my frame the same. But for this one I did do it on a canvas, so I just have it sitting on an easel. So obviously I didn't paint it all at once, so my frame changes a bit throughout the video. This is just kind of basically what I did in my spare time, so whatever time I had I would generally paint. Definitely one of my favorite pastimes now. I've definitely done quite a few paintings over the years now. I hoped for one day to be a full-time artist. I think that would be amazing, and I definitely enjoy doing it. Right now I'm just trying to get my art out there, and I thought I'd start posting my full videos on YouTube. I do record everything in time-lapse, so obviously it isn't the actual speed I'm going, obviously. But before I was just posting on like Instagram and eventually TikTok, so a lot of my videos are sped up even faster than this, or you just see small clips of it. So I just wanted to put my full videos on here and see where this goes, I guess. Just trying to put myself out there and kind of see where it goes. Hope you've been enjoying my stuff so far. I do have a few other videos on here. I do seem to be painting a lot of skeletons and bones and skulls and those kind of theme. I also do some pet portraits. I've gotten quite a few of those lately, so I do like painting animals too. They don't always have to be just the skulls. I do try to do a bit of a variety. I just finished today painting an eagle. It definitely took me a while to do. I am definitely tired of painting feathers right now. I'll have to get back to bones shortly. Not exactly sure what I want to do next, but I've kind of been bouncing around with ideas in my head. I have been thinking about doing a turtle skeleton, which I thought might be kind of cool. Just trying to find some reference photos and figure out their anatomy first. Well, I'm getting close to the end of the video. If you stuck around this long, thanks so much. If you're interested, you can follow along on here. But I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Buffett Creations. You can check out my videos there also. I also have an Etsy shop if you're interested in my work. And thanks a lot. Bye!